Hey everybody, it's Nettie Morris, the mom who was laid off turned digital entrepreneur, coming back once again to provide you with some value. I want to get right into it. A lot of people are asking, what is $25 one up? What exactly is it? Okay, and so I wanted to come on and give you guys, share some information with you, a brief description of what $25 one up is. Now, right before I get into that, guys, gals, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to ring that notification bell so that every time I come on and bring this value to you, you can get it instantly. So, what is $25 one up? Beyond being a program where you can get instant $25 payments, instant $100 payments, instant $250 payments, and instant $500 payments, $25 one up has a lot of value built into it. And so I'm just going to take you for a little test drive here. Now, my saying, I'm riding this all the way into 2019. Digital money is the new sexy. Digital money is the new sexy. And so here, folks, you can see I have some of the top brands in the world and in the United States. Okay, so let's just take a look at them. The Huffington Post. So, that's political commentary, right? You can't touch it. You can read it, and in between reading it, you're going to see some ads. Okay? So, Arianna Huffington was very, smart to put that together and to put really a revenue generating machine together off of digital content, digital information. All right, another one, folks. And I just want to, outline this here, so you can get a complete understanding of what $25 one up is and what it has to offer. Okay. So, as I said, digital is the new sexy. I want you to understand digital information, folks. So we just talked about the Huffington Post. Let's talk about Audible, right? Some of you guys are familiar with that. Those are the audio books you can listen to while you're jogging, while you're in your car, while you're on the plane, right? You can't touch it. You can't taste it, but it's real. It's real. It's digital and it's real. And people are paying tons of money to Audible, which is an Amazon company, every day. You see the iTunes symbol. It's digital information. The music, we just had the Queen of Soul to pass her music on iTunes. You cannot physically touch it. Although it can touch your soul, you can't physically touch it. It's digital information. Video games, that's huge. All right, ask any of your children and some adults. You can't really touch it. You can touch a joystick, but it's digital. Facebook, oh my gosh, there are how many billions of people on Facebook, right? And Facebook is monetizing your information to the tune of about $20.21 per person. You add that up, folks. That's a lot of money. It's sexy. It's sexy digital money. TMZ. Everybody know about TMZ. Those are the people who stalk the stars, right? Okay. You can't touch what they do. I mean, I'm a lawyer. Harvey, I forget his last name. Hey, they're on TV. They're talking. They're sending out digital information now through Facebook Messenger. You can't touch it, but they're making money off of it. This is the point I want to drive home. For people who think digital information is a scam, it's not. I just outlined all of these people here, all of these companies that are making millions and billions. Okay? So it's no joke. So let's go on to the next thing I want to cover. What is $25 One Up? $25 One Up is a digital educational platform. That's what it is, folks. And when you join $25 One Up, you get resellers' rights, resellers' license to sell it over and over and over and over and over again. Okay? So, what does it contain? It has everything that you, especially as a newbie, coming out the gate, can hit it out the park with $25 One Up. So I put a few things here. It's got funnel pages. If you don't know what those are, it's okay. But basically, it's going to walk your people through the sales process. They're going to come through the door of your website and enter their email address. And that's going to turn the key, and then they're going to see a video presentation. And then they're either going to whip out their credit, debit card, PayPal at that time, Stripe, whatever, and pay, or they're going to be followed up with the built-in autoresponder. Folks, it doesn't get any better than that. I'm telling you, for funnel pages and to make funnel pages, you could pay $50 a month alone just for that. For the autoresponder, you could pay $30 a month alone just for that. $25 One Up are one-time fees. One-time fees, no more fees ever. Okay, so let's talk about. So it has a suite. $25 One Up has a suite of digital educational products. Okay, and these products are going to help you. They're going to teach people how to market and sell products and services online. Folks, I don't know if you know this, but usually the top paid people in any company are the people who know how to market and sell. Those are the top people, not the technicians, not the doctors in the health plan. It's the sales people, baby. Okay, let's just put it together. It's people who know how to do marketing and sales, critical and highly paid skills. So what you're getting here is cutting edge. Cutting edge. In addition, especially for newbies, right? You don't know how to write ads. We're telling you we're copying and pasting ads on social media. We are. Okay? And we have ads right in the system. Right in the system that are going to help you hit the ground running and be able to bring this bad boy home in terms of filling up your PayPal account, your Stripe account, your Authorize.net account, whatever kind of account you got is going to help you fill it up. So, last thing, I didn't mention Contact Manager. It's going to tell you about your leads. It's going to tell you what emails they've opened, how many times. You can send a broadcast message through the system. Phenomenal. For one-time fees, folks, you can get in on this thing. And I would suggest, if you're serious about making money, get in at least at the platinum level. Now, if you can't afford that, of course, get in at the gold level, which is $25 plus $10, $35 to get in at gold, $125 to get in at platinum, $250 to get in at diamond, and $500 at enterprise. One-time fees, you don't have to pay any more fees. And really, that's unheard of in this industry. For all that you're getting, now the suite of digital education products, as well as everything you need to help you run your business successfully. So, folks, again, I hope you found value in this. I'd love to hear what you have to say in the comments. Please go ahead, hit the subscribe button, ring the bell, share it out, let the world know, because this is ground floor. Okay, it's ground floor now. It hasn't been around 2 months. Get in now and get the money. Get the money. Okay? Talk to you later. Bye-bye.